Welcome. Join us on our rail trip from Maricopa, Arizona down to New Orleans on Amtrak Sunset Limited. It's about a 38-hour, 9-minute trip, I think. So come join us and ride along with us. Well, here we are, the start of our journey from Maricopa, Arizona to New Orleans on the Amtrak Sunset Limited. Station behind me. Not much of a building. That's the station. And somewhere down there, the train will be coming. And we'll be going out east towards Texas. Well, here we are, waiting in the train station in Maricopa, Arizona. Quite a few people over here. We're heading out. Well, here comes our ride. About 30 minutes late. Not a problem. And we're in roomette number 19. And here we are. What we have here, we basically have two seats. And a couple of shelves that we can put our stuff there. There's the top bunk, pulls down, and I've already hit my head on that twice, so I gotta watch that. And then these seats will somehow pull out into a bed. We'll see how that works tonight. I can give you another rundown now on the roomette. It's just as wide as that seat there you're seeing. There's two steps there. That'll go up to our bunk above us. Using that for storage. Trash can. This bed and the bed that seat and the seat I'm on make into a bed, and we'll show that to you later on tonight. We're heading out of Tucson, Arizona right now. Okay, I changed seats now. As you can see, there's the outlet. Some washcloths, place to hang some garments, if you will. I think that's a seat belt to hold yourself in. This is southeast Arizona right now we're passing through. Out there in the distance is I-10. So we just passed through Benson, Arizona. I think it's 289 miles to El Paso now. Well, once on board and we stowed our baggage, we came down here to dining car to breakfast. Breakfast is served from 6:30 to 9:30. So here's the dining car, and we're on our way. Well, we're in the observation car now. There's some seats there. We happen to be at a table. Still going through southeast Arizona. We're about to enter New Mexico now. Oops. Different landscape there. We have I-10 on the right side.
Lunch reservation, and it says 12:30 on your ticket. You gotta come on down to the dining car.
That's us.
We're gonna make it really full in the dining car today, so if you wanna eat, move your feet. Come on down to the dining car.
If you want to eat there.
Here's our lunch menu, I think.
Come on in,
We're at
ladies.
the refueling station in Santa Teresa, New Mexico. Stop to take on some fuel. About a 15-20 minute stop. We're about 30 minutes out of El Paso, Texas. We've gotten fuel and we're ready to go. And to show you, you got to be in here with somebody friendly because there's adequate knee space, but not much more. And so here we are. We're
We are leaving the fuel station.
Here's the typical shared bath, if you will. Just much, and the shower. With the exception of the shower, very similar to an airplane. This is if you have a roomette, use this. El Paso is also another point now changing of the crew. The crew that got on in Maricopa gets off here and we'll get a new crew. Dining car, getting ready for dinner.
How you want us?
Oh, there's our great servers here. Fantastic job. Thank you so much. Well, it's the morning of our second day on the train. We made it through the night. We're somewhere between Houston and San Antonio. Had a decent night. And in fact, I'm told there was a vicious storm last night. Lightning, thunder, rain. This train even had to stop because it lost contact with dispatch. We didn't hear a drop. Didn't hear a sound. So on to breakfast now. Well, here we are in the observation car. Enjoying our, second day? Second day. Here in the car. We're sitting here with our, you can't see it, but we're sitting here with our iPads on. I'll see you pretty soon in New Orleans. And there's plenty of luggage space. This is right after you get on. And again, like water placed all around. A cafe. And they have a pot of coffee for us all the time. And usually there's water up there, but if it's not, there's other places. Just get bottled water. The entrance to the cafe. And here's the on-board cafe for things to be purchased. It's right below the observation car. Some seating area out there if need be. Menu. Well, we made it. New Orleans after 38 hours and 40 minutes. And it's about 10 o'clock here at night, local time. There it is. We made it to New Orleans. It's about, like I say, about 10 o'clock at night. We're going to spend 2 nights here in New Orleans and then take another train north to Greenville, South Carolina. And that'll be on another video. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And we'll see you on our next video.
We had a great trip. It was pretty exciting. We saw some land and places we'd never seen before. I was glad we did it.
Thanks again. They're giving us about a 20-minute break here in Houston. So we got off the train.